So here comes the second phase of a project. The main aim of this second phase is to test this drone in the field. With the help of this phase, we will be aware of the challenges or the problems which we are facing to complete this particular project. Everything went perfect when we are working it on an open field. It went on without any problem, but if we are just trying it in a closed field which is surrounding with a net, we are having some problem. So we tried that in a closed field which is covered with some nets. We are just trying in some ponds, and then these are the results. The main one and only thing is the fishes will just get scared with the sounds of this particular drone. And also the water spraying level is too danger for a drone. The drone may either fall into the water or whatever it may happen. But these are some of the challenges which we had just faced in this particular experiment. And these are the things which we need to rebuild again. So this is the second phase of our project.